Unlocking the Porsche Cayenne 2020 MLB Key with VVDI Key Tool Plus. Full step-by-step guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, your one-stop destination for everything related to automobile diagnostics, key programming, and advanced vehicle solutions. Today we've got something exciting lined up, and you don't want to miss it. But before we jump into the details, here's a quick reminder. If you enjoy these videos and find them helpful, take a moment to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon. It's a small action for you, but it makes a huge impact in keeping this channel alive and growing. Disclaimer. Before we begin, this video is strictly for educational and informational purposes only. The techniques demonstrated here are intended to help vehicle technicians, locksmiths, and automotive learners better understand automobile diagnostics and programming. We adhere to fair use guidelines, ensuring that all images, clips, and references used are purely for education and review purposes. We do not promote unauthorized vehicle programming, and all trademarks and brand names mentioned belong to their respective owners. Always follow manufacturer guidelines and local regulations when working on vehicles. Now, let's dive into the process. Today, I'll walk you through the complete step-by-step method of successfully adding a spare key to a 2020 Porsche Cayenne MLB System, using the VVDI Key Tool Plus and VVDI MLB Tool. This method allows you to program a brand new smart key without having to go through complicated soldering or EEPROM procedures. So, whether you're a professional technician or just learning the ropes, stick around to see how it's done. And hey, don't forget to drop your thoughts in the comment section below. I'd love to hear what you think about this process. Have you tried it before? Did it work smoothly for you? Share your experience, and let's get the conversation going. Tools required for the job. To make this process successful, you will need a few essential tools. VVDI Key Tool Plus. This is the main device used to read and write key data. VVDI MLB Tool, a specialized tool designed to work with MLB System immobilizers. MLB Solder-Free Adapter allows you to connect the keyboard without physically soldering wires. Original working key, the key that is already programmed to the vehicle. New key to be programmed. In this case, we're using a Genuine Porsche Smart Remote Key, 3-button, 433 MHz, part number 9Y0959753AQ, MLB type. Step-by-step key programming process. Step 1. Connect the tools properly. First things first, before you begin, ensure that you have a fully charged VVDI Key Tool Plus and that it's updated with the latest software version. Start by connecting the VVDI MLB tool to the VVDI Key Tool Plus. Make sure all cables are securely attached to avoid any interruptions during the process. The connection should be stable before moving on to the next step. Step 2. Access the MLB Immobilizer system. Now, let's navigate to the MLB Immobilizer System section in the VVDI software. Open the VVDI Key Tool Plus interface. Select MLB Immobilizer Systems from the menu. Before proceeding, review the wiring diagram provided in the software. This will ensure that you connect everything correctly. Following the diagram is critical. One small mistake in wiring could result in an error or even failure to program the key. Step 3. Prepare the original keyboard. Now, we need to carefully disassemble the original keyboard to access the key's internal components. Remove the key shell and locate the remote capacitors inside the original key. Follow the diagram's instructions to connect the keyboard to the MLB Solder-Free Adapter. This connection will allow the VVDI system to read the necessary data from the key without physically modifying it. If you've never done this before, take your time and handle the key components carefully to avoid any damage. Step 4. Collect key data from the original key. Once the keyboard is properly connected, it's time to extract key data. Use the VVDI Key Tool Plus to read the data from the original key. Since Xhorse does not currently offer a Porsche-style MLB key, we will be using an OEM Porsche MLB key instead. Keep in mind that this process will deduct 200 remote points from your VVDI account. So, make sure your account has sufficient remote points before proceeding. Step 5. Calculate Immobilizer data. Next, we need to retrieve the Immobilizer data from the original key. The VVDI system will automatically calculate the necessary Immobilizer data. Once the calculation is successful, be sure to save the Immobilizer data for future reference. This step is crucial because if anything goes wrong, having a backup of the original Immobilizer data will save you from having to redo the entire process. Step 6. Generate and learn the new key. Now we're almost there. It's time to generate the new key and program it into the vehicle. Use the VVDI Key Tool Plus to generate a dealer key. After generating the dealer key, proceed with the key learning process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the key programming. If everything is done correctly, the system will confirm that the new key has been successfully programmed, and you'll be able to use it just like the original. Final thoughts, and your support matters. And that's it. You've successfully programmed a brand new spare key for a 2020 Porsche Cayenne MLB System using the VVDI Key Tool Plus. This method makes key programming a lot more efficient and reliable, and the solder-free adapter eliminates the risk of damaging the original keyboard. If you're in the automotive key programming business, this technique can save you time and effort while delivering professional-level results. Now, I have a quick favor to ask. If you found this video helpful, please take a second to hit that like button and share this with others who might find it useful. Also, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you tried this process before? Did it work smoothly for you? Or did you run into any challenges? Drop your experience in the comment section below. Your feedback helps improve future videos and helps others who might be facing similar issues. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more valuable content like this. Your support is what keeps this channel alive. Thanks for watching till the end, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy diagnosing.